Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the end of the year 2021, or we can say end of December 2021 energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. All right, let's get started now. Virgos, what's going on with my Virgos? If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see. At the back of the deck, we have the world energy. So this is your overall energy at present, which is going on. Okay, so this is more like some kind of a situation which is coming towards an end. You are feeling that the end is there. There's a feeling, there's that satisfaction somewhere. This is the time of joyful accomplishment of a situation, and you know that this is going to happen no matter what, no matter how much you have waited for this kind of a situation to end, but now you have got that gut feeling that this is definitely going to end. In the past, we have Knight of Swords, King of Wands, Queen of Wands, and Ten of Cups. So this is a situation where you were in a very fast situation, where you wanted to make things very much fast, but somewhere you feel that some decisions in your life might be wrong, where you took things in a very fast manner, and because of that fast energies, things might have went wrong around you or in your life. And sometimes emotions played the role of you going towards some situation, but those emotions, you felt later that they were wrong emotions. Okay, or you might have dealt with the wrong person and showed the wrong person the correct emotions. Okay, so in the present we have the Hermit, Five of Cups, and Eight of Pentacles. Okay, great. Okay, so this is a time which is kind of a self-discovery kind of a time, or we would say that you are looking towards something. You want to look towards positive things in life, but somehow you tend to look towards the negative. But I feel that you are overcoming that kind of a fear in you, which you always might have looked the negatives, but now you are somewhere, you are spiritually enlightening yourself, and you are trying to work on your inner feelings, and you are working on that, and you are now looking towards the positives more. You might have the ability to look towards the negative. I'm not saying that you are negative. This is more like an energy which is telling us that you were somewhere in a situation where you do not want to look at the negatives, but the situations and the things which go on, they tend to make you feel like everything is negative which is going on in my life. But I feel that you are trying to make yourself kind of very, very positive, which is coming up. Okay, in the coming future we have Eight of Swords, Two of Cups, Two of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so somewhere I feel that this can be, for some of you, this can be a situation where you are traveling, okay, in the near future, which is coming up. Might be you are trying to plan some things, like some kind of a situation or some kind of a planning which was already made inside your head, and you are wanting to put efforts into those plans, and but you are really afraid as well, because when we plan something and we want to execute that situation, we kind of get scared. But I feel that scary nature will be there, but only for a small period of time, because you are putting all your efforts and all your plannings into the actions which are coming up in a very gracious and in a very practical manner. So yes, you are thinking in a very practical and sensible approach in the near future for whatever situation you are dealing with. I'm now going to clarify your reading. Oh. Okay, so let's see. No, I don't know, but I want to take this card only. This deck only I'm going to take. I don't know, but I'm feeling to take this deck only. Okay. So tell me about the world energy which is coming up as an overall energy for my Virgos, please. Why the world is here? What is the thing which is ending up? Okay, so wow, we have the dreamer. So this is the Fool card of the deck. So this means new beginnings, taking a leap of faith. Okay, so that means, because what is the coincidence and what is the best part is, after the world, the Fool energy is here. And you know what that means, because the 21 number, the world card, is the last card of the major arcana, and this is the first card of the major arcana. So that means you are entering into the cycle of, again, there is a new cycle which you are entering. That means the old cycle in which you were in, that could be the negative cycle, it's coming towards an end, because you have also that gut feeling that things are coming towards an end, and you are taking the leap of faith again in the situations, and you have whole trust in the universe that whatever is happening, it's for me and it's happening for good. You have that belief in you. And for those who do not have that kind of a belief, trust the universe, please. It's the best thing which can ever happen to you. Okay, so tell me more about the Knight of Swords in the past energy, please. Okay, so we have a card. We have the Lovers. Okay, so this could be a decision which was made really fast in terms of love and in terms of hearts. Okay, it could be a decision which was taken from the heart, but it needed to be taken from the mind, and you felt somewhere that you might have chosen really fast, or you might have taken the decision in a very fast manner. Why the Queen of Wands is present here? Two of Pentacles is there with the Queen of Wands. So this is telling us that somewhere you were believing in yourself about the situation which happened. Okay, so you were like, okay, so I have taken the decision with my heart and I believe it. I believe the universe and I believe myself. So what, I have taken this decision in a very fast manner. When I felt that this person is mine, or this situation, I will handle the situation, then it's fine for me. But you didn't know that the other person in front for whom you have taken this decision was not able to balance the situation as you were able to balance. Okay, so somewhere there was disbalance because of the other person with whom you were dealing with. 10 of Cups. The Empress. Wow, see, you have taken care of the situation or the relationship or the marriage, if you were married to this person, in a very beautiful manner. It was more like, you have taken the time to act in that particular situation, but somewhere the other person didn't do anything in regards with that thing. Okay, so now let's see why the Hermit energy is here in the present. We have the Six of Cups. So yes, so somewhere you have started, so whatever happened in the past with this person with you, so this person has become your past. Okay, so whatever happened, it's now looking like this person, I don't see you getting back with this person, because somewhere either you have understood that this is not going to happen, or this is not me who wants this kind of a person. I'm more kind of a spiritual person. I'm a person who wants to work on my own self-discovery, and I cannot be with this person, although I feel that somewhere there is a return from the past energies which are coming up. So this person could be talking to you or coming back towards you to talk to you. It could be like, let's just hang out, let's just go and have a meal or something, but you are saying no right now, which I'm feeling over here, because you want to look towards the positives. Okay, so you have seen the negatives with this person, and if you will go back seeing the negatives again with this person, you won't be able to move on, and you want to move on alone, not with the same person who actually crashed you. Eight of Pentacles. Somewhere, let's see, what is this? Four of Wands. I feel that you are working on something. It could be working on a relationship, I don't know, but there is some kind of a reconciliation which is coming up. I really am not sure why you are somewhere, either this person has totally changed or you have changed, because one person is saying no and the other person who said no before is saying yes to the relationship. Now it's your choice what exactly you want to do with this person, because somewhere somebody is sending, saying that they are grateful to be with you, they are showing gratitude to this relationship now, or whatever the things happen. Okay, so yeah, somebody is saying that I'm really happy, I'm glad that you happened with me, you happened to me. Okay, so Eight of Swords, I feel this is why you are feeling a little trapped in the coming future energies, because you are not able to trust this person again, and somewhere there are trust issues in this person or in the situation again. So I feel that you are going to get some intuition in the near future, and you should listen to your intuition. Yeah, you're going to work out with this relationship somewhere, because you are going to trust your instincts, and your instincts are telling that you're somewhere wanting to move ahead with this person again. Let's give them one more chance. This is what you are doing, because now you are going to take decision in a very practical way. There is reconciliation, there is celebrations, but at the same time you are not the same person you were before. This person is same, but you are not same. You know what I mean? It means that you have changed somewhere. This person might have changed. The separation changed you. Separation changed you to see your self-worth as well. This is how it's happening. Okay, so that is why the overall energy is ending. The bad energies are ending. You are entering into this relationship as a very new person. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.